Hi guys, this is Phil from funneltips.net. Just going to do a quick video today, just a comparison of Groovepages versus Clickfunnels. So if you've been looking for a method to save money on your digital marketing costs or to improve your automation online to save you even more money, then this is just the video for you. And in a moment, I'm also going to show you a technique that you can copy to save you even more money on your online marketing costs. And I'll just take you through now inside the dashboard of Groovepages. And we can see here now, we're just going to open this existing site in the editor just so I can show you some of the features. And we can create a landing page and edit a landing page just to show you how easy this software is to use. So within the software, you can see it's got this built-in resizing feature. So all the pages you create in Groovepages, they're all mobile optimized. And that means, so when you design and you don't have to consider the size of the screen, so that it creates output which is automatically called mobile responsive. So you don't have to consider that you're designing for a laptop or desktop or a tablet or a mobile phone. You basically just create these blocks, so all the different areas are called blocks, and you've got a range of templates and you can range of elements. You just drag and drop them onto the screen. It's easy to start with an element or a template and then edit that rather than starting from scratch, but you can do either. But the important concept then is in terms of this mobile responsiveness. So this editor has already got this built in, so you can see change the options here in terms of the view, the way it looks. It automatically re-renders your editing display, and this is exactly how it would be then in terms of your customer. So your customers see exactly the same thing. So if this is what I'm looking at, this page on their mobile, this is what they would see, and then you can say, well, actually, okay, I need to change that, because if you didn't like the way it presented, you could look to alter your design, but you don't have to cater for a mobile design. It obviously does it for you, and this is just giving you the visual representation so you can see how it would look, just to say, okay, yeah, I like that layout, and that works on all type of size displays. So if we want to edit something, we can go these options here which are called elements, and we've got blocks, these type of areas. We've got some, we can add different pages, or we can go into the elements and then we can add a specific element, or we can go in the blocks and we can add items from a particular block. So if we look here, so we get a headline, we can just drag and drop that in. And the other thing you can see here, you get the editing mode. It's all drag and drop. So if you want to reposition items, you just drag and drop them and move them up. And if you want to edit them, you can either edit straight into them like here, or you've got this feature here and you can edit them within this mode. And you can also see here you've got this expert mode, and you can turn this off and on. So basically you're in sort of easy mode when it's off, and if you want to turn it on, then it gives you more control over all the different areas. So there's a massive amount of control here. And then it's really easy with these blocks. You've got these different items then called wireframes, so you can actually add items in it then. So in terms of page features like footers and call to actions, countdown timers, contact forms, checkout forms, and again, it's easy to use one of these and then edit it than just to create the content from scratch. So if we want to scroll down the page a second, if we want to, so we got a footer there. If we want to add a element, let's go to wireframes. Let's look at footers. So you can see, we've already got our social media. So it's got a subscription form. It's added a subscription form, and we got our social media links there. Looking for those countdown timers. Oh yeah, so let's have a look in the wireframe. So here we go. So that's a block. This is the block, these big areas, and then the contents are in the wireframe. So if we're going to do a call to action, countdown timer. So say we're going to put a countdown timer on here. So one of the things with which is shown to improve sales is urgency. So if you want to add a countdown timer, so you can see now automatically that's added a countdown timer for us, and we can specify how that looks. So if it's fixed, it's going to count down to, is it going to end at the end of the month? Does it end sooner? Let's change it to 6 p.m. Oh, generally most countdown timers end at midnight, so let's end it at midnight on the 30th. Okay, and when the countdown, what are we going to do? Go to page, and then you can specify it goes to somewhere else, and potentially customers missed this offer, you send them to another page. Let's just update that. So all of these other features, let's go back to blocks. So all these other features, you would have to pay extra in WordPress for these. So you can see there's a whole range of things, your galleries, forms. Yeah, so you generally have to pay more for different types of forms. Definitely for countdown times, you have to pay for those. Checkout forms. So you see all of these fantastic range of features already included. Alert bars, pricing. There you go. And also then, and again, this type of feature here. This type of feature here. Drag that over. You have to pay generally to have that included in WordPress. You know, there are some free options, but in terms of to have something fully configurable, you need to pay extra for that. So you can see actually adding elements to a page is really super easy. And then these pages, the other benefit of these pages is they're designed, the way they're coded, and again, you don't have to worry about the code, but the way they're coded, they're super fast loading. And then in terms of, depending on the plan you're on, silver plan will come with unlimited pages and posts. The light plan, you would be restricted on the number of pages and posts you can create. You can create with the silver plan, you can create unlimited pages and you can host them with on the Groovepages. You don't have to worry about hosting, or you can host them on your own domain. If you want to add a new page, it gives you the option, okay, you can start from scratch or you can look at the templates. So I just want to show you the range of templates. So we got different style home pages. I'll just preview just one for you to see. So it's got a built sign up on it, and obviously then you change your text, change your image. It's got your feature boxes. So really nice looking designs for a home page. And if we go back to this one, let's have a look at the different pages you've got. So we've got e-commerce pages, we've got thank you pages, we've got upsell pages. Let's have a look at e-commerce. So this one, if you're selling t-shirts or other products, you obviously change these images. It's got your order buttons, and obviously this is your product image. So obviously you'd alter that then, whatever image or product you were looking to sell. It's got your product review area, you got order buttons, and then you got your checkout, cart area, and then link to your payment processor. And then you've got your testimonials as well. So this is a good feature in terms of on your sales pages, because testimonials are shown to prove or reduce the number of people cart abandons. And then let's have a look at that. So that's a different type of e-commerce page. This is for electronic goods. You get some buds, but again, you change the image to suit your products, and again, your product review video. So similar style template, but the theme slightly different, and again is your order checkout page. So it's really easy to create some good looking funnels and web pages with this product because of the range of templates, and obviously then you can vary the pages and the templates to create unlimited sort of variations. And one of the features they're going to introduce, so a lot of people currently maybe using Clickfunnels for their funnel building or maybe considering Clickfunnels, they're going to introduce a importer feature into Groovepages. So people have already created funnels in Clickfunnels, you'll be able to directly import them into Groovepages. So a lot of people may have paid people to develop funnels for them in Clickfunnels, and a lot of people in Clickfunnels, they sort of share funnels. So that's one of the features they're going to be introducing, and then the import feature, and then other templates will be added to this over time. So the number of templates is probably not as much as you get in Clickfunnels, but I think one of the important comparisons between Clickfunnels and Groovepages is the cost. So I was considering Clickfunnels, and I never sort of, I've got other funnel builders, but I never committed to Clickfunnels because of the cost. So if we're looking at the cost for Clickfunnels, just got it up here in Google. So the entry level is $97 a month for 20 funnels and 100 pages and 3 domains, or $297 for unlimited funnels and landing pages and 9 domains. Currently with the Groovepages, you can get an unlimited license for $497 for the silver products here. So Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, Groovepages Pro, which was just demonstrated. And then Groove Mail is going to come shortly, and Groove Member to create membership sites, and then Groove Video, which would be like for hosting your videos, your own video hosting platform within Groovepages, rather than using YouTube, which gives you more control over your video displays. So that's going to be, when it goes into the monthly plan, that's going to be say in 97 or 99 a month, but currently you can get that for 497 on the end of the beta. So Groovepages is just finishing a beta phase, and when it finishes beta, then it's going to move into a monthly. So the monthly plan with just the features I was just demonstrating then is the Groovepages Pro, which would be the funnel builder. So that equates then with what you would get with the Clickfunnels. And then these other plans here will be gold and a platinum, will have these other features which aren't included in Clickfunnels. But the good thing about Groovepages, it's a complete marketing suite of software, and it'll be fully integrated. So you can increase your plans then if you're looking for these other products for your automation, like surveys and quizzes. For a cost, month 99 against 97, there's much more features within the silver of Groovepages, in my view, than the 97 within Clickfunnels. And if you can get in on the lifetime now, you can get 497. So for 5 months of a subscription, you can get this